Hey guys, and welcome to another video. Today I got another new truck. So I think I'll be staying in this one for a little while. So today I'm just going to clean up the truck because somebody else was in it and I just want to make it look really nice. This is going to be a new job, and well, kind of a new job. It's going to be different than what I'm usually doing. This is my third new truck. I had that Freightliner, and then I moved into a local position where I had a T680, a Kenworth, for about a week, and that was fun. And now I'm in this one because an over-the-road position opened up here. So that's what I'm going to be doing from now on for a little bit. And so since I'm going to stay in this truck, I'm actually planning on doing a couple of videos with it. First, I'm just going to clean it with you guys because that's all I have time for today. I actually have to go out tonight. And then I want to also do a truck organization one because I still have to figure out how I'm gonna put everything in here, and I've like kind of developed a system for myself, how I determine what I need to buy and how I place things in my truck. So I don't know if you care to watch that one. I'm gonna make a video on that, and then I will do a truck tour of this new truck once it's all clean and pretty and organized. So hopefully you guys enjoy. So I'm gonna roll up my sleeves and put my hair up and get started on this.
It's easy to speak out about the way I live, but it's a 24-karat dream. No supermodel in my dirty jeans, but in my 24-inch heels. I'm not pretending I'm born like this, a game for the reckless. It's so extreme and I don't really care. I don't really care, yeah. And I don't really care. I don't really care, yeah. They're calling me a mad woman, mad woman, mad woman. Calling me a mad woman, mad woman. No, I don't really care. I don't really care, yeah. 'Cause boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman.
For this door, I'm actually going to use this, which is like a heavy degreaser, because there's probably a lot of, stuff from our gloves from hooking up on it. So I'm thinking this will probably get it off the best. And I'm going to use a different rag, so that way, like when I wash them and I use them again, I know exactly like what I'm using them for and what's already on them probably. Thank you.
Your obnoxiously long cable.
I know.
Opened it for you, being as you don't have a knife in your truck for some reason.
Thank you. Well, that's because it was day work and I didn't even think I was going to be there that long. Obviously. This is my best friend Mark. He works with me, and he was in the second video, the one with the inspection. What is it called? I got an inspection.
I think that's what yeah. Minimum 10 hours. So, but I just got a raise.
Anyways, so yeah, we actually work for the same company, so that's kind of cool. Again, yeah, we actually didn't work for the same company for a while, but now we are buddies again. Always been buddies, but you know what I mean. Anyways, yeah, no, thank you so much. He bought me this obnoxiously long cord. It's like, I don't understand if this is actually a charging cord or a jump rope, but I might have to try it.
I think you should try this jump rope. I think it might work.
It's multi-purpose. Anyways, thank you.
How bad was the truck?
Actually, it's really clean. The door makes it look really bad, but it's super clean. Have you ever seen the inside of it?
I've actually never been in a Western store.
Oh my God, it's amazing. So I'm going out at 2
a.m. Yeah, what is it right now? 6? I mean, you got time. 7 or 8 hours?
Yeah. Well, I gotta sleep, so.
Do you know where you're going?
No. It's just a spot. So I guess whatever they have. He just said time slots 2, which for teams I know 2 is Portland. So I'm wondering if 2 might be Portland solo.
Solo Portland run?
That'd be cool.
Calling me a mad woman, mad woman, mad woman. Calling me a mad woman, mad woman. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. 'Cause boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman. Frames, boy. It's such a funny way to tell me what you search in life. Well, I'm a mad woman, sorry I don't compromise. Mad woman, keep calling me a mad woman. Boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman.
So I usually just fill up like one of these that at home, just so I'm not wasting water that I bought. This is just my tap water, but I'm just gonna pour a little bit. Like, you don't need a lot, but I brought extra just in case. And then a little bit of this. So it's like diluted, and it's just gonna make it smell good, and it's gonna clean the floor. So I'm gonna cover most of the floor here with this, and then I'm gonna wipe it up with the towel that I forgot to pick up. So I'm actually gonna get up and go pick up that towel, and then I sort of dry it as I go, and then redo it if I need to.
You were my best friend, didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would.
Okay, so as you can see, the water is pretty dirty, so I'm gonna go ahead and dump it outside and change it. So I just dumped the dirty water right there on the ground, and before I start a new batch, I just sort of, yeah, this is heavy. Pour a little bit on the brush, and then like whatever's in here, I just use it to clean the brush, and there's usually some cleaning solution still on it, so I just run it around a couple of times and then dump this out before I start. And then the brush is a little bit cleaner. the back of my car is kind of a mess. I just threw everything in here. I bought this new vacuum because my old one died. Yeah, it's got a little bit of battery. Let's see how it works. I love this thing. I think it's just the most amazing vacuum. My one that I had before, it's 2 years old now. It finally died. I think the battery just is done charging, but I have this one linked on my truck. Like the article that's on my website about truck dogs or having a truck dog, I linked this, and because this is amazing, it's battery powered, so you don't need to plug it in if you have like a super small inverter. And then also you can charge the battery while you're driving, and all you need to do really is like a 10 to like 15-minute cleanup before you go to bed or when you start your day. And it just keeps everything really clean. Also like all the attachments that come with it, because it's got like a carpet one, and then it's got, I'll show you more later, there's a pet hair one. There's also a really small one that you can get into like the crevices of the truck. So those are the two that well actually, you know what, I use all of these, I'm not gonna lie. I use this one for the floor, the small one for all the cracks, and the pet hair one for the seats, but this truck has leather seats, so we'll see how that goes. It might not have that much battery right now, so I don't know how much it's gonna actually pick up, but we'll see. We might cut this out because it might suck. Alright, so it's blinking red at me, which means it's probably gonna die, but it's pretty feisty for a battery powered vacuum, in my opinion. Okay. Oh yeah, it's dying. Use what little bit we have left to try to clean the bed. If not, I'll do it like right before I get back. I'm gonna take my shoes off since I just vacuumed that. Ah, it's dying! No! A little bit more! Come on, vacuum! Oh no, he's dying. Alright, so I'm gonna charge him at home. I'm not sure if this truck has an inverter in it, but if it doesn't, guess I'll have one put in. For people who care, don't use these to clean windows. It's all I have right now, but they really suck at cleaning windows. So usually I just use a paper towel, but we're gonna just use this for now. Yeah, the thing is like mad at me. I love this window cleaner too because it smells so good. Oh wait, there is kind of like a film on it in here. I'm gonna spray some more. I don't think these things have ever been cleaned. Ah, that's crazy. There's like a little film on it from inside here. Oh, washing a window this big is a lot of work. This thing is clicking. I think that's like my hair on here. Alright, so the rest of that's on the outside, but the inside's clean. I'm gonna put this back on for now. I don't think it goes on that one, does it? Doesn't seem tight enough, but this one isn't as dirty as the other one. Alrighty, now it smells good, so that's good. We're gonna put this back up. Oh, we got a mosquito in here. Hey bud, go away. Go away. Trying to clean a window. Still got a lot of stuff on it. Just moved to the front. Wow. It's kind of hard to like stand in here and clean it. Apparently there's stuff down there. I'm gonna have to vacuum all that stuff because I can't get to it with a rag. oil change thing. I will let boss man know. Alright. Okay, so I really wanted to let you guys know that I really appreciate Sammy Makes Sense. He sent me a GoPro that he's not using so I could use it. So the GoPro shots in this video are thanks to him. Or actually they're made possible by Makes Sense. And while I'm thinking about it, back when I was doing the truck recovery videos, I actually thanked JBG Travels. There was just so much footage that day that it just got lost. Hi, thank you. You've sent a lot of people my way and I really appreciate it. And it's super cool that you like actually got out at the truck stop and were talking about me to other FedEx drivers. I'm sure that was an interesting part of their day too. If you haven't seen either one of their channels, they make really good videos, so go ahead and go over to their channels and check out what they have. That's it. I'm just gonna clean this last window and then I'm probably going to clean my mirrors at the truck stop because one of them has grease all over it and I really don't want to get grease on my rag. So I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
A little crazy for you now. A little crazy for you now, baby. I'm a little crazy for you now. A little crazy for you now.
I don't want to get it dirty. Alright, we're gonna do it anyways. Alright, Shelby's a little bit, don't mind this. I'll probably end up in the video.